Армения направи своя дебют на Евровизия през 2006 и от тогава до момента винаги се е класирала в челната десятка. Ева Ривас е родена в Ростов-на-Дон и на 10 годишна възраст печели първия си конкурс за певци. След дългогодишно участие в местния хор Аревик идва звездната и година 2005, когато печели едновременно титлите Златен глас на Ростов и Мис Перлата на Дон. Сега тя записва с известния арменски композитор Саят Нова. 21 Армения. Apricot Stone. Ева.
Many years ago, when I was a little child, Mama told me you should know our world is cruel and wild, but to make your way through cold and heat, love is all that you need. I believed her every word, more than anything I heard, but I was too scared to lose my fall. I began to cry a lot, and she gave me apricots, kisses of the earth, fruits of the sun. Apricot stone hidden in my hand, gave them back to me from the motherland. Apricot stone, I will drop it down in the frozen ground. I'll just let it make its round. Apricot stone hidden in my hand, give it back to me from the motherland. Apricot stone. Now I see the northern stars shining brightly in the storm, and I've got an avatar of my love to keep me warm. Now I'm not afraid of violent winds. They may blow, they can't swing. May the winter stay away from my harvest night and day. May God bless and keep my cherished fruits. From my tree up to the sky, once awake my home goodbye. I just want to go back to my roots. Apricot stone.